Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you ready to revolutionize the way that you clean your fruits and vegetables? I've seen these ionizer devices in bowls before, but I am super impressed with this one from HEYRUIDY. This one comes complete with everything that you need to be able to wash your fruits or wash your vegetables or really anything that you would like to give a little extra loving cleaning. The bowl comes as a complete kit. So you have a beautiful rose gold and cream colored clear bowl, and then you have a colander that goes right inside. It comes with a charger cord, so you plug it in and charge it. It works up to about 15 uses where you don't need a cord at all. Once you place everything in the bowl, add your water, and then you can select if you want a regular cleaning, which is about 7 minutes, or a little bit quicker, which is around 4 minutes or so. I really love that this really cleans my fruits and my veggies. Some of them I could actually see little extra dirt that I really feel would not have come off if I just used regular water to rinse it. This uses ionizing cleaning, and you can really see the difference not only in how it looks when you take it out of the bowl, but also in how it tastes. All of my fruits and veggies have definitely been tasting and lasting longer than if I were to just put them in the fridge when I took them home. Not only does everything taste and look a lot fresher after using this, but this bowl is obviously well made. It's made of a hard, durable plastic. It's easy to clean, and you really feel that this makes such a difference, and I love this option of having everything in one unit. If you're ready for a new taste and a new cleaning in your fruits and veggies, go with this bowl, but that's just my point of view.